Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a mermaid bunny. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the mermaid bunny. I'm starting with its hair. Now let's draw its long ear. Wow. Here's its tiny hands. In one hand, it's holding something. Yes, you're right. It's an ice cream. Now let's draw its eyes. It has some eyebrows. Here's its tiny nose. Now let's draw the tail of a mermaid. It has long hair. Wow! I'm starting the coloring with my pencil. I'm using my pencil to create a gray color. I'm using a tissue paper to soften the color. Now it's looking perfect. Let's start coloring. I'm using my pink highlighter pen. Wow! The same pink color inside its nose. And here. Coloring is really fun. And now to have a dark pink color, I'm using my pink color pen. A little bit of purple. And now I'm using blue color. A little bit of yellow, pink color pen again, cyan. Let's draw some bubbles. Wow, it's looking amazing. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.